Hey champs! Welcome to Social Champ's all-new and improved workspace feature. The new workspace will help you streamline and manage your tasks with more ease and efficiency. In this video, we'll learn how to delete a workspace. So, let's begin. When you first log into your Social Champ account, you will land on the content dashboard by default. Drag your cursor to the top left of the screen and click the Workspace drop-down. Click the View All Workspaces option to check out all your workspaces. Under Actions, you will see a bin icon. Click the bin icon to delete the workspace you want to remove. A pop-up window will ask if you're sure you want to delete the workspace permanently. Click Confirm if you're sure, or click Cancel if you are not. Please note, if you delete the workspace, the social media accounts added within will be removed from your Social Champs account as well. If team members are added to this workspace as well, then those team members will also be removed from your Social Champs account. We suggest always edit your workspaces before deciding to delete them or not. Great work! Now you know how to delete a workspace. Visit our channel to find more tutorials related to workspace and a bunch of other features. Happy postings, champ!